Experiencing issues with your Rogers Ignite pods not connecting? You're not alone. Let's tackle common problems with WPS and app pairing. First, ensure your pods are within 30 to 50 feet of the main gateway, away from interference like microwaves or thick walls. For WPS pairing, signal interference or outdated devices can cause failures. Try Bluetooth pairing within the Rogers Ignite app as a more reliable alternative. If that fails, a smart reset in the app can help clear cached interference data without losing all your settings. Remember to check for Rogers outages and restart your gateway before proceeding. When other troubleshooting methods fail, a factory reset is your next step. Press and hold the reset button on the pod for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED flashes. This erases all settings and forces a fresh connection. After the reset, repair via the app or WPS. Understand that pods need to obtain IP addresses from the gateway through DHCP lease renewals. Monitor your network map in the Ignite app for backhaul channel issues that can affect connectivity. The underlying principle is that the pod is an extension of the primary gateway, and a successful connection depends on a clear signal and proper configuration. Resetting to factory settings ensures that the pods and gateway are on the same page for a fresh start and connection.